Sounds good. Goes good?
Goes really good.
What are you doing with it when you get it back home?
Mainly scrub pulling, but a little bit of earthworks and just general property stuff, but mainly scrub pulling.
So you're putting a rake on it?
Nah, a little bit of dam work.
Yep.
Just building and banks and, but just, general.
Going back
work.
to a place at Blackhawk?
Yeah. Back out to Blackhawk. And
Is it beast?
yeah, it feels good. Feels responsive for an older tractor.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, we didn't get a chance to take it down and give it a run on the dam. She got too wet.
Yeah. Yeah. But just even just doing that little bit, just to get a feel for it and
Yeah.
the blade and everything. So.
Oh, good shit.
Yeah. There you go.
Good to see how it goes.
Put it to the test. You can tell that Trace.
She's responsive, eh?
Yeah, well, as it's like starting up and not giving it time to warm up, and she just straight into it. So
yeah.
No, it's
Is that because we're on 30 weight now too?
yeah.
I had that yarn before.
But normally these old girls, you got to give them 5 minutes before they get. They're a bit sluggish at the start.
Yeah, cool.
But
then new pumps, then you.
yeah. No, it feels good. You might have to find me another one. Run two of them. I have a feeling
It has to come here.
It's got to be one thing after another.
It will be, unless you do this.
Small gears are very sad. Not like this.
These are more good than you are.
Like I've driven it, it feels good, but it is older. It's a clutch steer.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, fuck that.
So
No one will drive it.
nah, they're difficult to work. So lose power when you turn.
I've got him at 148. I don't want to ring him until it's here. I'll be here in a couple of days.
Yeah.
How's your beer pouring skills today?
What sort of glass
It's
is it?
11:30.
You want a schooner or a pint? Or?
I want a schooner.
What do you think it was earlier?
Or a fucking pint.
Do you think it was earlier?
I thought it was like 9:30.
I want a handle.
Beer o'clock.
Fucking nuts. How good. Just me at a driving anyway was.
I didn't understand it because it wasn't.
What's the output?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Have you done this before, mate?
What?
Have you done this before?
Yeah.
Oh,
Negative 4 degrees, mate. Not a bit cold to see yet.
Hey? Didn't he?